Do you remember this? During the 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar, Messi stopped a Netherlands attack with his hand. Everyone expected a red card because Messi already had a yellow card. But Messi walked up to the referee and said, "Remember who I am. You can't give me a card." The referee then told Van Dijk, "It's nothing. No card." The Dutch defender couldn't believe what he was seeing. Van Dijk's reaction said everything. Now, at the 2026 World Cup, an Argentine player blocks the ball with his arm inside the box. It was a clear penalty, but the referee ignored it simply because it was Argentina. But that's not all. Earlier this season, Xavi Simons committed this foul on Van Dijk. After checking VAR, the referee sent off the Tottenham player for dangerous play. Yet Messi made a similar challenge at the 2026 World Cup and escaped a red card. The referee didn't even go to the VAR monitor. At this point, it no longer feels like a coincidence. This World Cup is surrounded by controversy, just like the 2022 tournament. Messi has his daddy Infantino, and many believe the World Cup will be handed to him again. What a disgrace.